everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the "please wait a few minutes" error on Instagram. Let's jump right into it. This error usually appears when Instagram detects unusual activity from your account or device, such as logging in too many times in a short period. Here are a few steps to solve the problem. First, switch networks. The first thing to try is switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes Instagram blocks specific IP addresses temporarily. Changing your connection can help bypass this block. Toggle between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try logging into Instagram again. Next, wait and refresh. This error usually resolves itself after a short period. Wait a few minutes, then close the app and try again. After a few minutes, open Instagram again and check if the error is gone. If the error persists, try clearing Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and App Clear Cache. This will remove temporary data that might be causing this issue. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh the data. Once reinstalled, log back into Instagram and check if the issue is resolved. If this worked, you should now be able to log in without any issues. If the error persists, try logging into Instagram on a different device or through your web browser at instagram.com. Go to your web browser, then go to instagram.com and enter your email and password. Logging in through a browser or a different device can sometimes bypass the issue entirely. And that's it. These steps should help fix the "please wait a few minutes" error on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!